Hi everyone, here we've got ASUS ZenFone 8 Flip, and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So firstly, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom and tap on System. Now let's enter reset options, and as you can see on the very first position we've got the option we're looking for. So let's tap on it, and now your device is telling you that it will reset all network settings including Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth. So let's tap on reset settings, and here your device will tell you also that you cannot undo this action. So just tap on reset settings again, and as you can see we've got the information that the network settings have been reset successfully. So actually that's all. This is how to reset network preferences in your ASUS ZenFone 8 Flip. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.